again. I'm still enjoying my Leinenkugel toasted Bock. Lovely beverage. But today I want to show you how to make a recipe that my kids really enjoyed. This is stroganoff, sorta. This is not real stroganoff per se. To do a proper stroganoff takes a little more time and effort than this does. But I made this dish for the kids and they really enjoyed it, and they asked me what it's called, and I said stroganoff because that's the closest thing it looked like. So I call this Sorta Stroganoff. But it's quick and easy and a really nice dish that kids just gobble up. So let's take a look at what we got here and put this together. Alright, I got a pound of ground beef and a pound of stir-fry beef. Or you could use stew meat, or you could just do 2 pounds of ground beef, up to you. We got 3 packets of mushroom gravy, a diced onion, and 12 to 16 ounces of noodles. We're also going to need 6 cups of water. And of course a beverage to keep me company while I'm cooking, because why not? Alright, let's turn up the heat here and get our ground beef started. A little seasoning salt here. You know, it's funny that my wife got me this apron with this particular phrase on it, because not all of my recipes have turned out to be great successes. And I've experimented with some recipes and some of them turned out great, but believe me, there were some duds. Alright, add our onion. Alright, and then let's trim up this beef. Add a little more seasoning salt here. We're going to put this aside and put our 6 cups of water in here. Turn that up to high. And add all 3 packets of our mushroom gravy. Then we're going to whisk that all together until it's combined. Add our whole package of noodles. And all of our meat. Stir that all up. Then we're going to cover that and bring it to a boil. There we go. That is boiling. Give that a stir. Okay, then we're going to turn our heat down to low. Cover that back up and let that simmer for about 15 minutes. And you want to stir that every now and then while you're waiting. All right. And we are done. That's all there is to it. Alright, there you go. Easy, huh? Now if you want to make this a little more like real stroganoff, right before you serve you can add a cup of sour cream and mix that in real good. Makes it a little closer to what real stroganoff is like. You could also add some mushrooms in there if you want. But this is a super simple recipe and it always got rave reviews, and nowadays when my kids say, let's make stroganoff, they actually mean this. So as always, hope you're all taking care of yourselves and staying healthy and happy. Cheers, until next time.